I've been grinding rock all day, and I was thinking that all you guys that have bought one of our Cobra rock crushers, I should show you how to put it together when you get it. So I'll go through that a little bit. It's really simple, but might be confusing to some guys. Take the lid off. I'm going to use a battery-powered rock crusher. Just hold it right there up against the arbor and hold the thread so that it'll tighten into the armature. When you get it in there like that, don't worry about it being tight because it's self-tightening when you run it. Take your nut, little nut like that, stick it right in there, and for hell's sakes, don't cross-thread it. It's an aluminum thread, and if you cross-thread it, then you have to drill it and tap it, and it's just a real pain. You can use the handle that came on it, but it doesn't tighten up as well as a good bolt. Don't get it too tight. Take this cover, place it on here like that. Take two nuts, tighten them up. I want you to know that I'll probably, on the crushers that you get, I'll probably put 4 wing nuts on it rather than 2. You have to tighten 2 of them too tight to keep it from leaking. Let's see. Put it on there like that. Now it's ready to grind rock. It'll actually take a 1/2 inch rock, no problem. I've ground some of these samples, but watch what it does. It's all flour. You can't hardly beat that, really. If you want to grind it finer, just take a handful of rock, put the rock in it like this. You see, you just you can't do better than that. I don't give a what you're using. This is as good as it gets.